Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hue. Today's adventure is taking us to an abandoned water park with a big dragon statue. So it's hot as heck, stay tuned. We'll get there, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright guys, I've been walking around too long without any sunglasses. I need a new pair of sunshades. What about these? How much? 200? They're beautiful. They're too small. You have big size? Too small around my head. And I need some sunglasses because it's too darn sunny out there. Oh, those are really big. Wow, very fancy. Oh, bug eyes. No. Not like. What is that, Gucci? Ooh, those are Gucci. What's this one? The cost? I was more looking for this style, but they just need to cover the eye for riding motorcycle. I do like these Gucci's, but I don't know. I think they might be too big, too buggy. These are too Gucci. What's this one? Oakley's? Oh, those are pretty good. What are those? Oakley's? Let's see. These are good. Yeah, good for moto? Yes. I think these are the ones, guys. I think these are worth. I think they need a wash. I like these ones better. These ones, 100,000. 100. 150. Meet me halfway. 150. Meet me halfway. You 200, me 100. Meet me halfway. 150. Meet me in the middle. Thank you. Maybe I come back for a watch later. We got our sunshades. Let's hit the road, guys. Back to. Alrighty. Stunner shades secure so the wind and the bugs aren't getting in my eyes now. So we got another 10 or 15 minutes. Let's head to the Dragon's Palace. There we go, folks. Alrighty, now we're on the road. Just took us a minute to get out of that market. They had everything blocked off. Hey, let's go. Alright guys, I'm getting off the cab. See you at the Dragon's house. Hey, welcome. Thank you. Yeah. Cool.
Welcome to Vietnam.
The camera's on this side. Camera's facing this way. Thank you.
In walk around here in 5 minutes, 6 minutes in go dragon. Dragon go up your mouth dragon.
Cool.
And the dragon breed the dragon to right slide walk 3 minutes walk slide more slide.
Oh.
Come dragon come on. Bye here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
30,000 to park, 20,000 for a human, 10,000 for a bike. 5-minute walk to the dragon. Let's go. There it is. The abandoned dragon park. I'm in the Dragon's Claw right now. Look at this. Dragon's Claw. Dragon's Claw. Let's go ahead and explore this dark, abandoned dragon. And they got the bones and everything. That's pretty cool. Holy cow. This was supposed to be a big amusement park, a water park, an aquarium, but funding got cut, and so now it's just a big abandoned area. Oh man. With a lot of graffiti, and now it's an Instagram spot. I'm gonna climb to the top. I'll see you there. Alright, I'm currently in the dragon's mouth. Pretty neat. So, looks like they're actually building roads, and so I wonder if they're gonna try to revitalize this. The locals will ask for 20,000 and give you a little Google Translator, which will tell you, hey, the government's trying to take this down, give us money, we'll watch your bike, and you can go in and look at the dragon. So That way's the water slide area, so we'll shoot over there. But I'm in the dragon's mouth now. I think I should do some jumping jacks on a time lapse. What do you say? I wonder if the electric still works. Goodbye from the dragon's mouth. There's some pretty cool artwork on the walls here. Oh, that looks like a shark's mouth. I want to go into the belly. Yes, here we go. Oh, that looks scary. Oh boy. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so this is where that would be like a glassed off area with fish swimming. Dang, look at all the broken glass. This is creepy. Okay, so this is going to be one of those aquariums where you can walk through and there'll be like fish swimming above you on the left and the right. Oh my gosh. Dang. Maybe a bathroom right there. All right, well, it's been fun, it's been crazy, and it's been weird, but we gotta get out of here before the monsters come and get us. We'll see you at the water slide. All right, so that's it for the Dragon Park and the abandoned water park. If you come to Hue, consider going here. It's a little bit of a drive outside of the city, it's a small hike, and if you're lucky, there might have been some rain the day prior, and you'll have a pond full of water for the dragon. Hope you liked it. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.